problems on this topic called as percentage change in area. As I have told, first few problems I will solve it in 2 or 3 methods, and then I will only stick on to one method after you people become little comfortable in understanding all the 3 methods. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Listen to this very carefully. Now this is the first problem what we wanted to solve here. The question is, the length and breadth of a rectangle are increased by 20% and 25% respectively. Now first itself, let me put the heading here as a method 1. Now see here, method 1 means if I get a percentage, if I get a percentage symbol, yes, in question I have 20%, in question I also have 25%. Whenever I get percentage symbol, blindly I will follow this method called as put the value as 100 or any multiple of 100. That means the two parameters here are length and breadth. That means I will say that initial length or the original length, let me call it as initial length or original length, it makes no difference. Original length, because it is given in the question in terms of percentage, I will take it as 100. Similarly, original breadth also I will take it as 100, right? Original breadth also I will take it as 100. Now you might suddenly get a doubt, sir, it is a rectangle, sir. Rectangle means length and breadth both should be different, right, sir? Why are you taking both as 100 and 100 itself? That's okay, beta. If you want, you can take breadth as 200 or any other multiple of 100 and solve it. That's okay. Let us consider this rectangle as a square for time being. Anyway, if I read the first statement once again, this rectangle, this square will be converted back to rectangle. Nothing to worry about it. That means, can I say that original area, initially original area is length into breadth, 100 into 100, which is nothing but 10,000. Now this is the first information, but question says length and breadth of a rectangle initially, which was 100 and 100 respectively, are increased by 20% and 25%. That means new length now becomes 20% increased from the old length. What is 20% of 100? 20% of 100 is 20. That means new length increases by 20. New length becomes 120. New breadth originally was, old breadth originally was 100. New breadth will increase by 25%. That means originally it was 100. Now there is an increase of 25%. 25% increase from 100 is 25 increase. New breadth will become 125. That means old original breadth, original length was known. So original area is 10,000, all the old area is 10,000. What will be the new area right now? New area will be equal to 120 into 125, which is nothing but 15,000. What is the question, sir? Find the percentage increase in the area of the resulting rectangle. The resulting rectangle, I need to find the increase in terms of percentage. Sir, nowhere it is mentioned in the question as percentage. Why are you taking percentage increase? You should only take how much increase it has happened, right? Answer options are given in terms of percentage, right, beta? That means question is basically asking you to find the percentage increase. Suppose if it is only increase, 10,000 became 15,000, increase is 5,000. That means you will search in the answer options values for 5,000. But suddenly you realize that it is given in terms of percentage. So let us find the percentage increase. That means percentage increase in the area of the rectangle is how much? I told you numerator is there, denominator is there. Denominator is always your initial value or the old value or the original value. Initial area is 10,000. Put the 10,000 in the denominator. Now 10,000 is becoming 15,000. That means there is an increase of how much? There is an increase of 5,000. 5,000 by 10,000 is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 50%. Answer for this first question is 50% option B. But I haven't completed my question yet. I have only completed my method 1. I told you that I will teach you method 2 and also method 3 for this question. Which method should I follow, sir? You should decide it, sir. Simple. You are the decision maker, which is the method you need to follow. Now, method 1 is, I told you method 1 is replace percentage by 100. Now, method 2. Method 2 is a method which is based on successive percentages. I have already explained you the concept of successive percentages before the start of problem solving itself. Whenever there are two percentage changes, suppose for example two percentage changes are A percentage and B percentage respectively. Successive percentage, I proved it to you as it is A plus B plus A into B divided by 100 percentage. That means question says length increases by 25 percentage, or question is 20%, right sir? For length, yes, length increases by 20%. Breadth increases by 25%, right? Breadth increases by 25%. Length increases by 20%. Breadth increases by 25%. What is the percentage change in the area of the rectangle? Area is length into breadth. Length is increasing by 20%. Breadth is increasing by 25%. Whenever there are two percentage changes minimum, apply successive percentage. A value here is 20, B value is 25. One problem, let me write it and show it. It is A plus B, 20 plus 25. A into B, 20 into 25 divided by 100 percentage. If I further simplify, can I say that 25 into 1, 25 into 4, 4 into 1, 4 into 5. 20 plus 25 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. Answer for this question by using method 2 is also 50 percentage. In method 1 also you got 50. In method 2 also you got 50 percentage. That means method 1 you should write so many things which are unnecessary in your examination hall. Method 2 you should by heart formula A plus B plus A into B by 100 percentage. I am not telling you not to follow method 1 and method 2 if you are so much obsessed with method 1 and method 2. If you are so happy with either of these methods, please follow. But what I love my student to follow is method 3. Method 3 is nothing but a method called as change in area, percentage change in area, or percentage change in area method is what we are solving, or just percentage change method. Instead of saying it as area, just percentage change. Now, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now, length increases by 20 percentage. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. This is the reason I taught you fractions to percentages conversion. Breadth increases by 25 percentage. 25 percentage means 1 by 4. Now, simple logic, sir. Can I say that denominator is always your initial value? That means if I want to find my initial area, you don't need to write all these things also. If I want to find my initial area, denominator length is 5, it is the initial length. Denominator breadth is 4, it is the initial breadth. That means initial area is initial length into initial breadth. Multiply the denominators. 5 into 4 is 20. Now, if I want to find my new area means final length will become, from 5 there is an increase of 1. Add these two. 5 plus 1 is 6. From 4 there is an increase of 1. Add those two. 4 plus 1 is 5. So final breadth is 5. Final length is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. That means initially it was 20. Put it in the denominator. 20 is becoming 30. That means there is an increase of how much? 10. 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50 percentage. I am damn sure 100% sure that after some problems you will appreciate method 3 and you will solve by using method 3 within seconds, and that too probably within I can say 5 seconds of time, sir. I hope the idea is very clear with this logic for you people.